Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Bhagishree's World, and I welcome you all once again with a warm heart. And I really apologize. I really apologize for the delay for not making the videos for such a long time from now. From now onwards, I have decided to go ahead and make at least 2 videos in a week. If not daily, I will go ahead and upload 2 videos in a week. And guys, I really apologize for the delay. However, I'm really thankful for the support which you people have given to me. And again, I'm in front of you all with yet another motivational video. I would not say that it's a motivation video, but let me tell you, it is a heart-to-heart conversation which I wanted to do today, and in a topic which, if you spell the word, it's just a word, but if you will go ahead and find out the meaning of that word, it is very deep. You know what is the word? It's respect. And tell me one thing, what do you think that whom should we respect? We have heard by listening many sayings, and our parents, our elders have taught us from the childhood that we should go ahead and respect our parents, we should go ahead and respect our elders, we should respect women, we should respect everyone, right? But tell me one thing, does only elders need respect and not the younger ones? Do we go ahead and abuse younger ones and talk to them? No, we don't, right? You know why? Because respect is a mutual concern. Respect is completely a mutual concern, and you just can't go ahead and say blindly that if a person is elder to us, the person is a part of respect. No, according to me, it's no. I really apologize if you guys don't agree with me, but initially only I'm going to say that these are my thoughts and heart-to-heart conversation which I wanted to do today. So respect, according to my views and in my opinion, I would say that, you know, respect is not just which we should go ahead and give to elders, just parents, or just women. No, we should respect a person who deserves that. Are you getting my point? If a person has done nothing, the person keeps on disrespecting you, keeps on abusing you, keeps on fighting with you, do a lot of mental harassment, but that person belongs to a category, maybe elder, maybe women, maybe some other whom you think that we should respect. Do you really think that they deserve respect? According to me, you know what? Respect everybody deserves, not just elders, in fact youngers as well. In today's scenario, tell me one thing, if you will go ahead and disrespect your children, will they respect you back? Tell me one thing, no, they won't. There was one time period, at that point of time, parents used to just slap their children like that only, and yet children don't mind on getting beaten in front of everyone, in front of public. But today, in today's scenario, this is completely different, completely opposite. In nowadays, we just can't go ahead and disrespect our children like that. Do you feel that we should do that? No. Not this thing restrict to children only, restrict to everyone. And this is a very sensitive word, respect. I strongly believe, teach your children to respect the ones who deserve that. Not just by the numbers of the age that they are elder to you. No, I don't think so. Respect your children, that whosoever has done something incredible or has done something, because of that, that person deserves respect, go ahead and give respect to that person. Right? Go ahead and give respect to that person. I am going to explain all these thoughts of mine by a very simple example. If a person is, say, 60 years old, okay? 60 to 70 years old, and that person go ahead and fight just because of like that only, without any reason, just fight like that only, with family, with neighbors, keep on abusing, keep on giving, keep on throwing negative energies on everyone. Does that person really deserve respect? I'm not saying that there might be some reason why he's behaving like that. No, it could be his nature or her nature. And let's not restrict this to elder people. Take example of younger ones as well. Take examples of younger ones. Say if a person is 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 years old, and the person is just randomly going ahead and creating chaos in your life, unnecessary chaos in your life, which you don't deserve. Actually, you deserve peace, and the person is creating unpleasant environment around you. So what you would do? Will you be able to respect that person? No, you won't be able to respect that person. So let me tell you one thing very clearly. We have to respect elders. Yes, we have to respect elders, but believe me, if they are going wrong, we can politely tell them that no, this is wrong. No need to fight with them, no need to abuse them. I know that if they'll go ahead and do something which is not ethically right, they will by default not get respect from their younger ones, and I am damn sure about this nowadays. Okay, and one more thing, don't disrespect your parents as well, because they have done a lot for you. They have done a lot for you, from giving birth to you and raising you up, right? If I am here in front of you all, speaking here, addressing you people, it's a lot of big credit goes to my parents, right? To my parents, and as well as I could say to my elder ones who were very close to me, But let me tell you, let me be very clear. I am not giving any message that we should disrespect elders, or we should disrespect women, or we should no, not like that. Only thing which I want to quote is respect those who deserves respect. If a person doing domestic violence with his wife, then what you would do? Will you respect that person? If you are respecting that person, you are making a big mistake too, because that person doesn't deserve respect. This is what actually I want to explain you people, that respect those who actually deserves respect. Don't unnecessarily just blindly follow everything whichever comes in your way. Grab nice things. So only this thing I wanted to tell you today, that we should respect everyone irrespective of their age. And secondly, we should respect those who deserves that. And it is not like that respect is restricted to only elder ones. Respect should be given to younger ones as well. You know why? Because if they have done such work because of that they deserve respect, we should give respect to them. This is what I want to say, and let's meet again in next video. Keep this thought in mind, that respect is something which has to be earned. It can't be given you like that only, without earning it. You have to earn respect. You have to do something. Because of that, people should respect you rather than just number of your age. Okay? Take care, guys, and let's meet again in another video. Be connected to me. Okay? Till then, take care of yourself. Bye.